It's January 1st, 2008. Mary Elizabeth is trying mashed potatoes. She's already had a little bit, so she's kind of...
Ooh.
Yummy! Is that good? You want another bite? Tell Daddy what you think about them. Okay, you can only have one more bite. Mama, you want a little bit more? Okay, that was a good job for your first time.
She didn't really like it.
Dang.